Yarrow is another commonly growing plant with many healing properties. It has been used medicinally for thousands of years. Externally, to stop bleeding, and as an antibiotic. Simply chew a few leaves and apply to the wound. Internally, to bring down fever and fight bacterial infections, and as a sedative for anxiety and insomnia. Both leaves and flowers can be used to make tea. Native Americans used the tea to cure stomach disorders. The fern-like aromatic leaves can also be used in salads or to season meats or vegetables. It is widespread in the whole Northern Hemisphere. It grows naturally in meadows, along roadsides, edges of forests, and on dry, disturbed soils. You can even find it in your pesticide-free backyard. A potential look-alike is poison hemlock due to the fact that both have white clustered flowers and fern-like leaves. But when you look closely at both, you'll see they are not really much alike. Yarrow may cause an allergic reaction in people allergic to plants in the aster family, such as ragweed, so test it first by rubbing it on sensitive skin, for example between fingers. It may also interact with certain medication. And as always, if you are planning to try a new plant, either as food or as medicine, it's always a good idea to first read up on it as much as you can.